Hello, my name is Hasitha. I am the owner of Hasitha YouTube channel, and today I am going to explain you about my newly purchased Scarlett 212 Studio 3rd generation Focusrite sound card and the bundle equipment. Actually, I have purchased this equipment, the whole package, from a Sri Lankan shop, a music shop called Yamaha Music Center, and with this bundle you will get the Focusrite perfect quality sound card, then Scarlett condenser microphone and its cable together with the sockets, and Scarlett stereo headset and Type-C cable to connect the bundle package to your PC or the computer. So let me explain you how to fix this bundle package to your PC and how to record a soundtrack using Cubase SX5 software. So let's see more about it. So this is what you get inside of this box. I brought this from Yamaha Music Center in Colombo, and these are the equipments that you get inside. You may see the box, it clearly shows it is connected through USB and it's 24-bit 192 kilohertz sort of quality you'll get. And this is the actual sound card. You can see this, and there are a lot of buttons, right? First I'll explain what are the things inside this box. First you will get this amazing quality Scarlett Studio headset. Along with that you will get this very amazing quality and very good sound producing equipment that is called Focusrite Scarlett sound card. It has a lot of indications. You may see there are two mic inputs, one for the microphone and other one for the instruments, right? And here you can select what sort of equipment you are going to fix. Here I have used air because I have selected my microphone right now, and this is the volume controller for the microphone, and the next one it's not on because there's no device or any microphone fixed into the second port. And there you will get the direct monitor, whether you need the sound in mono or stereo. And this 48V means once you switch it on, the normal mode is like this, then your microphone will be off gradually, and when you switch it on, the entire sound producing will start, and it will start the microphone. And this particular volume controller, this is for controlling the output sound, this is for controlling the headphone sound level, whether you want low or high. And let's quickly move to the back side of this equipment. Here you will see Type-C out, which you can directly plug into your computer USB drive. Then here you will get line out for left and right channels, right? And this is the most amazing quality Scarlett Studio condenser microphone. This is very sensitive, and even you may hear a small needle. Even if you dropped in this table, you will hear it very clearly. Even you can hear if it is a very quieter environment, you can hear even what your neighbors are talking. So that's what I mean, very sensitive. And this particular equipment, it doesn't come with the microphone or with this bundle. I have purchased it separately. It is good for singing, like if you are even doing a speech, it will filter the unwanted sounds. So let's quickly go to the rest of this, and I will explain you more. Right, this particular microphone stand I also brought from Yamaha Music Center. It is also very good quality, and this filter is also purchased from Yamaha Music Center. Right, so here I just plug my Scarlett to my HP laptop. So I'm going to open now the Cubase 5, which is already installed in my laptop. Right, so this is the track that I have recorded earlier using this. Right, when you go to I'll give a quick demonstration of how to connect this. Once this connected to your laptop, you will get the drivers automatically installed to your PC, so you don't have to worry. And after opening the Cubase 5, you have to go to devices, then you have to go to VST connections, then you have to make sure whether your inputs are selected as analog 1, and this name Focusrite should be there, and for the second right side channel also you should get the second analog Scarlett Focusrite equipment here. Then we'll check on the output tab. In the output tab also you will get stereo left and right channels, both Focusrite USB right over here. Then quickly we'll close this panel from here. Then it's all about recording music that you love, and once you recorded and play back with these headphones on, you will definitely hear the better sound quality and this recording quality of this great piece of equipment, Focusrite 212 Studio 3rd generation sound card. It's the most amazing sound quality produced that I have ever tested. So I'll definitely recommend this equipment for the new sound recording persons and artists, so that it will give you a better sound quality, a better output, and a better satisfaction to your both these. So definitely this is a value for money equipment. In Sri Lanka this cost about 98,000. The entire bundle you could get from Yamaha Music Center, and because of the Sri Lankan situation right now, I don't think in future these things will be available to buy infrequently. Therefore it is better, if you are really interested in recording music, you better get this thing before it's too late, if you are only in Sri Lanka. Otherwise, in the world market, this is plenty, this is available anywhere you prefer to buy it. So I'm Hasitha and hope you enjoyed my video. Let's discuss about this somewhere in another video. So please subscribe my channel and give me a support, and tell me how you like this video, or whether if there's anything more to be clarified in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.